Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, religious communities have had to shift their traditional ways of practice in order to accommodate safety precautions. When most people think of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and Jehovah's Witnesses, they picture folks walking around in the community and neighborhoods spreading their own messages. But COVID-19 has put a big halt on that. I spoke with both groups who say it has been a challenge to shift from traditions and the typical way of practice, but this pandemic has provided both with a silver lining.
The pandemic really forced us to, hey, we've got to do this differently.
Door knocking has gone silent for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
In large measure, it may be a thing of the past.
But the message has not. Boise Mission President Martin Nygaard says the church has stopped door-to-door knocking and started reaching out to people either by phone, social media, or email.
As one leader said in a meeting I was attending, he said, there aren't enough cars, there aren't enough missionaries to knock on everybody's door in the world. But these new tools allow us to reach out to people and give them a message of hope and love and gratitude in new ways.
In 2016, the church got approval to start using devices like cell phones to reach out to people, but decided to primarily stick with the traditional door knocking. That is until the pandemic forced the shift to a virtual connection.
The great thing about this is that the people who are interested, they respond, they come to us. So we're not knocking on doors of people who don't want to talk to us. We're reaching out, and then people who want to hear the message, feel a need in their lives, they can reach out to us and we can respond. And it's been a wonderful, wonderful thing.
Similarly, Jehovah's Witnesses have also traditionally gone door to door in the past.
As emotional as this was, it was a simple equation for us to say, it's got to stop. How do we find a way to do this better in these times?
They too have had to make a switch to virtual outreach, which they say was already a plan.
It was something that we kind of put off, right? We liked the way we did things. We love visiting people. We love going to homes. We love walking down the street. As difficult as this may be for somebody to understand, we actually enjoyed knocking on our neighbor's door and getting to know them.
The transition to do a virtual world came quickly, but ultimately it has been a success.
And it has made a very vibrant ministry even more vibrant because we're reaching many people. We've had really good results. We've had people become Jehovah's Witnesses who have never been in one of our Kingdom Halls, have never been to an actual meeting, or have never been to one of our conventions. And we never thought something like that would happen.